Ever try Akara with lentils instead of beans? You're about to see how crispy and delicious it can be. Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Let me first of all say Happy New Year to each and every one of you. Thank you for a great and successful 2025. And I am so grateful for your love and support on this channel. And today I will show you how to make lentils Akara, a healthy, tasty twist on the classic Nigerian snack. First of all, for this recipe, you will need your lentils, of course, your onions, some pepper, the salt, some seasoning, and then your oil for frying. You will first of all go ahead and wash the lentils thoroughly until the water runs clear. If you want a smoother blend, then you can even go ahead and soak it for 30 minutes so that the seed can be a bit soft. First, blend the lentils with your onion, your pepper until it is smooth. I went ahead to use an electric whisker to whisk it thoroughly because I want a very fluffy akara. So if you have that, you are good to go. Then season the mixture and mix it thoroughly. A big thank you to all my subscribers, to all my viewers. A big thank you to you all for ever coming back. You're always coming to my channel to support me. I am so grateful. Please don't forget to like this video. Okay, thank you so much. Next, heat oil in the pan, then scoop the mixture and then carefully drop the hot oil. I went ahead to add some onions. It is just for flavor, so it is optional. So you will fry it until it is golden brown and crispy on the outside. Look at that. It is crispy on the outside and it's so soft because I love a very soft akara. I don't like when it is hard. So these lentils even make it more easier for me to love akara these days. Even my family prefer this lentils akara more than the normal akara. So fry it until it is golden brown and crispy on the outside. It is so good. They are perfect for breakfast, or you can even have this as a snack any time of the day. If you really enjoy this recipe, please hit that like button. Yes, eat it. This year you have to be eating the like button. Eat it, subscribe for more Nigerian snacks, okay? And let me know in the comment section if you would try this Lentils Akara. Lentils Akara is really a legume, is a seed, as in it is easier for people who can digest regular beans easily, unlike regular beans. Okay, lentils are smaller, they are, as in they cook faster, they are soft on the inside, they are crispy on the outside, and they are perfect for a healthy twist on traditional akara. I had mine with some custard. You can have akara with gari. You can soak gari and have it with it. For my Nigerian people, they will understand. You can even have akara with bread. Okay, so I had mine because I had it for breakfast. So I had mine with some custard and it's so yummy. I really enjoyed it. So will you give this a try? Let me know down below. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you soon. Bye.